Maria is a designer. She works from home. Enrico is an app developer. Build his ideas on the go. And Diego is good in social media. He connects people in a shared space. They are in different places with different skills and different workflows. But same ambition. Then an opportunity appears. A client abroad, bigger than one person. Working together makes sense. But reality hits hard. No shared bank account, no structure or sufficient resources. Not enough experience. Money creates friction. Trust needs rules. With Ungravel, they form a stable group, instantly. A virtual USD account. No traditional bank. No upfront cost. They can bundle resources the safe way with individual deposits. Now they can be paid as a group, with stablecoins. But security comes first. Every decision is shared. Each member has one vote, and only a majority unlocks common assets. Collaboration creates value. Trust becomes infrastructure, and your group is your capital. Ungravel, a new way to share ambition.